Well, Billy, it looks like you got your wish. Here we are at the deserted island you wished for. What do you think of it now?
Oh Don. It's wonderful. No stress, beautiful beach, sunny sky. What more could you want?
I don't get it. I thought it sounded like a great idea to come here in the first place. Now, I just wish we were home.
Wow. What's wrong with you? This place is exactly what most people dream of. The beach is soft. The water clean. All the seafood you can eat. In fact, there is some now.
Are you going to eat that fish?
You sure have a sexy pirate voice. Maybe you can sing a Dr. Hook song?
Careful. That is Captain Hook and he don't take too kindly of you saying his name wrong.
Oh great, you didn't bring your guitar, did you?
Well, if someone would have given me more than a moment's notice, I could have grabbed it.
Oh maybe I will get another wish. I wonder? Is Dr. Hook still around?